Hello YouTubers, it's me and Joyce back again with my first ever Lego review, well, toy review as perhaps, of the Lego Despicable Me 4 Minions Jet Board. And for Tim, it's a fairly simple build. Look at Tim. Wow, I mean, he does seem fit to scale with the other minifigures. Oh no. I don't know if he does. If you're a fan of Lego, just let me know in the comments. The jet board is pretty awesome. Like, this one adds a really good part too. And even though I do regret it a bit, it's sort of really, for first Lego set, it ain't bad. I have to say I would give a 6.5 out of 10. Because it's fairly simple, but you'll still have fun either way. And, of course, there's always spares. Right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you around. Bye.